Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 3 over 2 times y plus 5 times y equals 26. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. First, combine like terms within each side. This simplifies each expression without changing its value. Combine like terms within each side. The variable coefficients on the left combine to give 13 over 2 times y. The variable coefficient is 13 over 2. Multiply both sides by its reciprocal, 2 over 13, so the coefficient becomes 1. Quick check, substitute 4 for y. Both sides equal 26, so the equation balances. So, y equals 4.